You know what? Let's just go max crash. Max crash. This one's got to be due. We're going to go for the big boy here. Come on. Pump it up. Alrighty guys, so there's actually a new Solana platform that I'm going to be playing at the end of my streams for the next few months. And in today's video, I'm going to take you through what that is. We're going to have a little play on it together. And you guys can let me know in the comment section what you think. Now, I'm sure some of the OGs know that I do like to dabble in the occasional gamble. And me and my friends have actually booked a trip to go away to Viva Las Vegas next year. But today we're talking about a platform where you can place some bets from the comfort of your own laptop, verified on the blockchain. And that's going to be SOLPUMP, okay? So we've got a lot to go through on SOLPUMP today. At the end of the video, I'm going to do a few bets, right? I've loaded the account with not too much, $20, 0.13 Solana. Now, before we start, a little bit about SOLPUMP. Now, SOLPUMP is a Solana-based online casino, okay? They currently have 2 games, Crash and Coin Flip, with futures coming soon. And so far, there has been 6 million total bets placed. Now, what makes this different from a lot of other online casinos that you guys may play on, right? One big one that I play on is SkyBet, but I feel like sometimes these online casinos can be rigged. And that's because these platforms are not tamper-proof, right? We can't go back and verify if things were predetermined or not. Whereas with SOLPUMP, you've got the contract address here, and for each bet, there's actually a smart contract placed before the bet is taking place, so that if someone puts in, say, a big bet, the casino can't say, right, there's a whale entering, let me just liquidate them for all of their money, right? It's completely fair and transparent on the blockchain on Solana. So one reason why it's good that it's on Solana is because all of the transactions are really, really cheap, right? If you want to place a bet, you can place a bet for a fraction of a Solana. You can place it for less than $1. Whereas if you were to use something like Ethereum, you already know the transaction would probably, well, you'd need to probably make a 2x of a very small transaction to even make your money back. Now, I did actually load up my account with $20. And one thing that makes me feel a bit safer to put money in this is because I don't actually have to send my Solana to a crypto casino like a lot of other crypto casinos require you to. All you do is connect your Phantom wallet. So what I've done is I created a brand new Phantom wallet, never had a transaction in here before, and just sent over crypto to that Phantom wallet. So in the worst case, if maybe something goes wrong and I lose my seed or whatever it is, at least it's a brand new wallet, right? I'm not linking any wallets that have existing transactions in it, so I can track all the transactions a lot easier. So number one, you don't need to send your crypto to an exchange, meaning you don't need to withdraw or try to withdraw back to your Phantom, and then that crypto casino says, actually, we're gonna pause your transactions, okay? So that's number one. Number two, they have daily cases that you can open. All you need to do is, I believe it's place a bet of like 0.00125 Solana, and you can open a free case. And right now I do have a affiliate code where if you use code LEX, then you can claim up to 1.2k every single day in free boxes. And I actually did open a few of these boxes the past few days, so you can make all the way from like 0.0001 Solana, which is probably the most probable outcome, all the way up to 10 Sol. So what we can do is we can open a free case, you can click it, and then you can see here, what have we got? We've got 0.125 SOLPUMP as an airdrop straight to my account. And you can see right here, right, we've got 9, maybe 10 SOLPUMP claimable in the wallet. Right now, SOLPUMP is only a couple of cents, but we could claim that. If we got Sol, it would have been even better. And all you have to do is confirm the transaction in your Phantom wallet, and then boom, you've successfully claimed 10 SOLPUMP, okay? Not bad at all. Now, not only that, guys, I mean, if you are claiming SOLPUMP and you want to leave it as SOLPUMP, you can see here that they're trying to burn the majority of the supply. So right now, they've burnt 26 million SOLPUMP with 191 million of the supply left. So again, could help the price of SOLPUMP start to go up in the long term, guys. But I'm sure a lot of you will want to see how games like Crash work. Now, obviously, this is completely random, okay? A lot of people feel like if there's a big X, or if they put a, you know, if I was to put in my whole 0.13 Sol, that the next round is probably going to dump straight away. But that's not the case. It's completely random. And as we said, it's verifiable on the blockchain before you do post your bet, guys. Okay, so not only that, they've got advanced betting. So you could have progressive cash out. If you said that you wanted a 2x, you could take 25% before that, take 50% at 1.5x. And a lot of these other crypto casinos don't have this on games like Crash. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a normal bet, right? We're not going to do advanced betting, but we can say, right, if we just do 0.001 Solana, and maybe let's just do an auto cash out of like 1.5 maybe for the next one. I bet it's going to be 1.5 for this. We missed it. And right now this one is just absolutely mooning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little series to see if I can like 1 sol, maybe into 10 sol. But all you have to do is place bet, guys, confirm the bet, and then boom, we've joined it. And then we just have to start for the new round. You can see here right now 22 players playing, 97 total wagered, about 148 wagered, and we'll see how this one goes, right? So if I really wanted to, I could just cash out now. 1.5, not bad, received. This wouldn't have been too bad. And you can see here, this is a total sol that has been doubled now, 4x, going up to a 5x. Oh my God, why didn't I leave it in? That is insane. 42x on the last one, right? So we got a golden bar here. Now, I wouldn't expect too many golden bars back to back. So again, we can put maybe, I don't know, let's double it, right? Do 0.02. We'll place the bet. I'm not going to do auto cash out. Place the bet, confirm. You can see here's a fraction of a Solana. It's probably going to blow up straight away, but let's see. Someone just left straight away, and you can see here all the people leaving straight away, right? Bet amount $3, cash out nearly at 2x, $5. Right, so you catch my drift, right? Got it out just in time. Now the next game is one that I actually really like, and that is going to be coin flip. Now you can coin flip against, I believe you can coin flip against the blockchain, or you can coin flip against these random people, and you'll see here people put up coin flips and you can join their coin flip, right? So this one's a $7 one. We're gonna, oh, I missed it. So you can either join these ones pretty quickly. You can see here there's so many being created every single time, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say I want to do 0.5 on the side of Solana. We're gonna be the Solana side of the coin. Click join, or click create flip even, and then we can either call a bot or wait for someone to flip against us, right? So someone can come in and they can say, yeah, I want to flip against Lex. Let's see if we're going to win against the bot. Who knows? We lost. But that's the way it goes, right? So you can recreate that, and you could do the same thing, or you could change the bet amount. So if we want to double down, we can create that, call the bot again. Is it going to be 2 losses in a row? I don't know. We're going to find out. It is 2 losses in a row. So we made some money on Crash, lost a little bit on flips. Remember, flips, they are 50-50 as much as it may not seem it. So remember, you must always make sure that you're not over gambling or putting in too much that you don't want to lose, right? We've only lost around $10 on this session. So it's not the worst thing in the world. It's only $10. But remember, all these things are transparent and verifiable on the blockchain. So again, I'm not too worried at the fact that we lost a couple $5 flips. That's it from me to you on SOLPUMP. I'll make another video about them in the future. I'll probably do a proper video where I try and flip like 1 sol into, I don't know, 2 or 3 sol, and that will be the entire video. So if you want that, like the video, leave me a comment as well, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace. You know what? Let's just go max crash. Max crash. This one's got to be due. We're going to go for the big boy here. Come on. Come on. Pump it up. Oh, yeah, we're going, baby. Boom. Made it all back just like that. We got out just in time. We got out just in time. So we made our $24 back right at the end of the session, guys, because I am an absolute degen and I had to make it back. So yeah, we're not down on the session anymore. Cool.